Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry, I've been gone for so long. It's just that I've been so busy with life and with escaping this coronavirus. Make sure that you guys always wash your hands. If you don't have access to soap and water, make sure you use hand sanitizer and make sure the alcohol content is about 70% or higher so that way it kills the coronavirus. That's not what I want to talk about today. In today's video, I actually have a new mod on the car, and I guess you can also say it's a performance mod, so yeah. I'm gonna step outside and you guys are gonna guess what it is. Guess what the new mod is? Can you guys tell? Can you guys tell? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yup, that's right. New stripe color, baby. Woo! Do you guys like the stripe color? No, I'm just kidding. It's actually summer tires. Okay, so it's a little bit windy. If you guys can't hear me, I'm sorry. The summer tires that I'm running on my car are the Conti Sport Contact SSRs. And these are the Continental ones, as you can see over here. But I don't want to say it's a bad summer tire, but there's definitely a summer tire out there that's better. For example, the Michelin Pilot Sports, those are really good, but it's okay, these get the job done. They're about like $1,200, so it's like a $1,200 mod. So when the weather is warm and you have summer tires on, it's gonna boost your performance up a little bit. So we're gonna do a 0 to 60 test and see how much summer tires actually improve your performance. If you guys remember from my previous video, the 0 to 60 time with my winter tires and cold roads was 4.1. So we're gonna test the 0 to 60 with the new summer tires today and see if we can beat 4.1. I'm pretty sure we can, just because it's like 50 degrees outside now and I have the summer performance tires on. If you guys couldn't hear me outside, we're gonna do that 0 to 60 time just to see if the 0 to 60 time improves at all. So in cold weather with winter tires, we got a 0 to 60 time of 4.1. So that's gonna be the time to beat today, because it's 51 degrees outside and we have the summer tires on now too. So I'm not doubtful that we can't beat 4.1, but I'm pretty sure we can beat 4.1. But the only thing that I don't have today is the P gear, so we're gonna time the 0 to 60 time a little bit differently. So yeah, while I'm editing the video, I'm gonna put a timer up somewhere over here, and like as soon as we start, the timer will go, and as soon as we hit 60 miles per hour, the timer will stop. I think that's actually gonna be a little bit more accurate as well, because with the P gear, it uses like signals and stuff, and if the signal isn't good, and like the GPS is not working well, then it's gonna be delayed. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Since we do have summer tires on, you can feel the road a lot more. And that's good and it's bad. It's good because, ooh, C43. Anyway, it's good because you can feel the road a little bit more, but it's also bad because if you hit a pothole, it really sucks, especially because of these potholes in Massachusetts. It's not good at all. Whenever I hit a pothole with summer tires on, I get so worried that I'm gonna get a flat. Because if you guys don't know, I actually did hit a pothole last year. I think it was exactly a year ago. It was in the month of March in 2019. I hit a pothole when I was driving in New York. Boom, tire blew up. And I couldn't see my car for a while. If you guys are wondering why I don't get a better summer tire, it's because later on this year, I'm pretty sure I'm selling this car and getting another AMG, or with like a really small percent, I might change to a different brand, but most likely we'll be sticking to AMG, and who knows what it'll be. I don't know. If I don't know, then you don't know either, so. But yeah, so if you guys have a C43 or any car, you definitely want to opt in for the better summer tire, such as the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, whatever it's called. Those ones I heard were really good, and a couple of my friends have them. They have no complaints. But the Continentals, they do get the job done, so that's okay with me. But yeah, so we're gonna test the 0 to 60 time right now. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro, and let's do this. Oh, also one thing. We're not gonna test the 0 to 60 time that many times. I think we're only gonna do it twice, just because there's a lot of cops in this area, and we don't want to get busted for it. But I'm doing it for the sake of science, so see you guys there. Alright guys, so we're here at the location, and like I said before, we're only gonna do it twice because there's a lot of cops here. But anyway, so the first time, we're gonna give it a little bit of boost on the first time, and then we're gonna go. And the second time, we're just gonna go. So hopefully that'll be enough footage. If it's not, then I'll just come back tomorrow. And yeah, so let's do this. So we're in Sport Plus, traction control all the way off, and in manual mode. So let's do this. Okay, so yeah, there we go. So we got 2 0 to 60 times. And if we don't beat 4.1, I'm gonna be a little bit sad, but I think we'll be good. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And leave a comment down below. Do you guys think that the Continentals are good? I don't have a problem with them personally, but I know that the Michelins are better.